In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI action figure using ChatGPT, showcasing 3 viral styles. Whether you're a creative looking to explore new technology or a fan eager to bring your favorite characters to life, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. First, open up your preferred internet browser and navigate to Google, your go-to search engine. Once on Google, simply type ChatGPT into the search bar. Press enter, and you'll be greeted with a list of search results. Look for the official ChatGPT website and click on the link to enter the site, which houses the tools you'll need for this project. Once you're on the ChatGPT platform, you'll notice a plus sign somewhere on the interface. This icon is your gateway to adding files, so go ahead and click on it. You'll need to have a graphic or image ready, so click on Add Photos and Files and select the image you want to transform into an action figure. This image serves as your canvas, so choose wisely. With your image uploaded, it's time to direct ChatGPT with a creative command. In the prompt section, type something descriptive. For instance, if you're aiming for that classic 1980s action figure vibe, you might say, create a photorealistic 1980s style G.I. Joe Duke action figure in its original blister pack, featuring Duke in a khaki uniform with an M16 rifle, vintage packaging with explosion graphic and logos, and a realistic studio-lit product presentation. This detailed instruction helps the AI understand exactly what you are looking to create. After crafting your prompt to perfection, hit Submit. ChatGPT will process your request and work its magic. This step can be quite exciting as you're moments away from seeing your concept brought to life in a unique piece of AI art. If you find yourself inspired and want to experiment with another style or character, you can try another prompt. Perhaps you're a fan of vintage Transformers. Craft another command like create a photorealistic 1984 G1 Optimus Prime action figure in robot mode within its original red and blue retro packaging, featuring the classic Transformers logo, alternate truck mode images, and vintage collectible lighting. Feel free to explore different ideas and prompts to see what creative action figure the AI can develop next. Remember, this process isn't just about the end result. It's about exploring the capabilities of technology and your own creativity. So don't hesitate to try various prompts and unleash the full potential of AI. For your action figures, enjoy the journey of creativity and technology combined.